Hey there everyone, in this video we will talk about how we can create whole table in PTC Creo parametric drawing. So let's say here we have got this base plate and I would like to create drawing of it. Now let me quickly open it separately so that we can get started. Now let's click here on the top on file, new. Now I'm gonna go here in drawing, uncheck default template, and just for convenience I'm gonna keep the name as it is. Let's click OK. Now I'm gonna go with empty and size as A4 and let's go with portrait. Let's hit OK. Now let's click on general view. Place your first isometric view on the top. Now in order to readjust its position, you need to press this option which is lock view movement. That allow you to move your part. Now again I will select the part back again and then again I will lock its position. Again let's click on general view, click OK, make left click. Now I'm gonna select maybe top or front. Now I'm gonna go view display and then here I'm gonna choose hidden, apply, and there we go. Now let's click OK. Now since my objective here is to create whole table, I'm not going to create all the dimension. Let me select this and let's click on show model annotation. Now I'm gonna choose all the center line here and I'm gonna click on apply. Now after I'm going to close this. Now let me click on table, whole table, and now here I can select all these kind of hole. So I'm gonna go with these simple hole and let's click on create. Now when you select the datum, so let me actually enable datum display and I'm going to select the center datum display. Now I need to select the top left corner of the table, which can be here probably. And there we go. So here you can see how easy it was to create whole table inside PTC Creo parametric. And then here we also can see which will show you the value of all these holes from this coordinate system, which of course you can create manually a newer one, for example like this, and can place it at new position from where you would like to specify the value. Now again after creating this coordinate system, I'm gonna go back in drawing mode, and this time instead of selecting the central coordinate system, what I will do is I will select this particular coordinate system. So let me again go back here in whole table and let's click on create. Now this time I will select this coordinate system and then we'll place whole table on the top. Now after specifying coordinate system, let me go back here on Windows and then drawing. Now let me again go back to table and whole table, click on create, select this new coordinate system. Now I'm gonna again place this whole table. Now all the values or distance will be calculated from this coordinate system. So in this way guys, we can create whole table, and sometimes it is very useful when numerical control machines are used. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.